Good afternoon. Welcome to my Almighty Personal Training Studio. My name is Landon Owens. I'm the owner of Almighty Personal Training Studio. We're looking for a few clients out there who are looking to get stronger, looking to lose a little bit of weight, who are looking to be immune system strong, improve their flexibility, and be able to have more energy. If you're that someone who's struggling in working out, struggling in lifting, struggling to know how to exercise to better yourself, we are your solutions for that, because our job is to teach you how to be independent of, so that you get stronger, you get smarter, and you know how to take care of yourself for the rest of your life, so that you know how to implement exercises into your life. Because a lot of people out there are going to the gyms and working out and not getting stronger, not getting better, not eating better, not working out better, because they have no routine. They guess. Because if you're really working out, you have a 12-week plan, and you stick to that 12-week plan until that 12 weeks is over, and then you change it. And when it comes to eating nutritionally, you cannot have no salt or sugar, otherwise you're slowing down the result that you can get. If you have sugar, it's got to be simple sugar, not complex sugar. So, when you're ready and you're serious about that change, and you're ready to get that workout on, ready to lift a lot more weight, ready to do things a lot better, have more energy, wake up every day full of energy so that you can get the things accomplished that you need to get done. And when you're that motivated, you will get your workouts in, you will eat right, you will hold yourself to a 10 accountability. So when you're ready to make that change, Almighty Personal Training Studio is here for that private one-on-one training that will keep you motivated, keep you accountable, keep you holding you to the best thing that you can be, into your best ability, until you see it come out yourself. When you're that motivated and that excited, then you want to raise your hand, call my Almighty Personal Training Studio, get down there, schedule an appointment so you can get it done. Because it matters now for the rest of your life, how long you're going to live your life. Because if you're not working out, your immune system ain't strong. If you're not eating right, your immune system is not strong. If you're not eating fruits and vegetables, your immune system is not strong. So for you to be immune system strong makes your life more better, more stronger, more greater. And what's more than better than you being able to use your own abilities to get up and walk, to breathe, to run, to jump, to move. Those are priceless gifts. And you can't get those anywhere else unless you put an effort into them to keep them. So when you're ready to grow up and you're ready to get stronger, come down to Almighty Personal Training Studio in Tempe on the northwest corner of Rule and Southern, 1050 East Southern, Suite number 4, Tempe, Arizona, 85282. My number is 480-366-4874 or 480-455-2819. We're to bless your life, not to crush your life. So when you want that blessing and you're ready to get better and make an improvement on your health, ring that phone, hit us up on those social media sites. We're here to help you make you better, because taking care of your temple will create your halo. And when you're strong and motivated, we're the place for you, because we're going to help you make that change, and we're going to help you get that outcome. Once again, thank you for your time, and thank you for hearing this video. My name is Landon Owens from Almighty Personal Training Studio, one of the best personal trainers in the world. Come give us a trial, come give us a test. Also, if you're a personal trainer out there, you're looking for a place to work at, Almighty Personal Training will be hiring trainers. But if you're a trainer, you better be serious about helping people get in results. Be serious about being there for your clients. Be serious about making changes in people's lives. If that's who you are, those are the trainers we're looking for. So when you're ready to hold your clients accountable, this is a place for you. Almighty Personal Training Studio, down here in Tempe on 1050 East Southern, Suite number 4, Tempe, Arizona, 85282. We look forward to helping you and look forward to changing your life. Thank you for your time.